Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to knit the heel part. I already showed you how to do the Turkish cast-on method. And I believe this knitting heel, starting from the toe up to the cuff, is called the Eye of Partridge heel. Okay, like I said on my previous tutorial when I was showing you how to knit the toe up, I had no clue what the names were, but I searched and searched. That's what it's called, Eye of Partridge heel. Okay, so we're going to start knitting the heel. So what you do is you measure from the toe the heel that you need to start doing the heel, and there's about, I don't know, about an inch that we're going to be knitting 16 rows, and then we're going to start doing decrease. So I put a marker. This is my front, the top of the sock, and this is the bottom of the sock. So I'm going to be knitting on the bottom of the sock. Okay, so here it is. So this is where we're going to knit the heel, not the top, the bottom. Okay, so divide that by 2. I have 30 stitches here and 30 stitches here. And then what I'm going to do is I am just going to knit 2 rows. So this is the startup, how to knit the heel. Okay. And then I think I need to move this because the camera's focusing on the background. Okay, so here we go. So we're just gonna knit. Just all we're going to do is knit. And always I've been telling, knit this first stitch tight so there would be no loose at the beginning. So just knit, knit, knit. And then we're gonna turn our work because we're not knitting around the heel, to knit the heel. Here we go. Just knit, knit, knit. And then when you come to the last stitch, I usually don't, well, when you knit the last stitch, when you come to the other side, the wrong side, which is a purl, just like this. And then I turn my work, and then we're going to do purl. To do the purl, I usually don't knit the first stitch. Okay. And then I like to knit toe up. This way I can control my yarn and I can make the cuff longer, up, 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 up. That's why I like toe up. So this is what I'm sharing. So I'm just going to knit the wrong side. This is all I'm doing. And I am knitting Turkish style, which the yarn is over my neck. This is how I knit my pearls usually. The knit is, I can just do it. But knit, purl is this way I knit purl. This is how I knit. It goes fast and it goes easy. Okay, so I'm knitting the second row, and then we're going to start the Eye of Partridge heel by knitting. Here we go. Okay, so by knitting, I don't knit the first stitch, I slip it. Okay, I'm going to, either what you can do is you can slip this and then knit, slip, knit. So it gives us a texture, a bumpy texture. Oops, what I did. Oh. Yeah, just be cautious because we don't want to lose. Okay, knit, slip, knit, slip. And then we continue knitting like this all the way to the end. we're going to knit this total of 16 rows. So this is the first, and then I'm not going to count the wrong side. Just like this. Okay, I'm going to knit this last one, and then I'm done. Okay, this is the wrong side. Okay, so the wrong side is just purl. We don't do any slips or anything. So the first stitch I do not knit. Oops, make it tight as I can. Okay, and then I'm just gonna purl. That's all I'm going to do. Just be cautious because we did a slip, so the yarn can twist, so try to fix it while you're knitting. Okay, yeah, this one, see, I don't want to twist it. I don't want to give that twist effect look. You know what I mean? When you, some people knit the knit stitches, but they twist it, so just be cautious. Like the, see what I mean? So usually I knit the stitches like this, but if you knit it from here, you're going to twist that, and we don't want that look. It doesn't look professional. So that's what I'm making. So just be cautious. If I pick it this way, the stitch will twist. So pick it from here to fix that knit stitch. Yeah, you need to be very cautious. I see that a lot, and people are knitting like crazy, but they're twisting their knits. So just be cautious. Fix that while you're knitting. Yeah, always fix it. See, I'm fixing it. So we're gonna, like I said, we're going to be knitting a total of 16 rows, okay? So I will let you knit, because I don't want to waste your time. And if I'm going fast, you can go to settings, and then you can slow the video. This is the slowest I can go, I'm sorry, but this is just regular purl. And ta-da, so you can see the slip stitches. And then automatically, well, we need to knit a couple of rows so you can see the effect. But when you look at this, you will see the bumpy. See, even the yarn is so thin. Then it gives that nice thick fabric. Okay, so I'm going to let you knit a total of, so I'm going to be knitting 15 more rows. And I will come back to show you the rest. Okay, I'll be right back.